Hello, my friends. I'm Olga Zinovieva, and I want to share my experience of playing as a manager on the Moodle for Teachers front page. You see, I have already added a number of files. On the left, you see blocks actually. On the right, and in the left footer, middle footer, and right footer. I have no experience of web designing and managing a course. That's why I've done a big job just exploring and trying to understand everything. Well, sharing cart, I added it, and I found the explanation that this is for teachers and some advanced, very sophisticated tool that enables us to move different content from one course to another, and or clone objects which differ only slightly, such as weekly discussions, which can be placed as desired in the course and edited. So some teachers might need this. QR code. Well, as far as I understood that and read that, you as a teacher post a QR code, yes, download it, and then students use it as a pass. They photograph it and enter a course. Well, that's like an interesting and modern tool that will probably catch students' attention. I created a poll. You can see I chose it not to be anonymous. You can participate in my poll. You see, gave a name with best singer. And for example, if you want to answer these questions, let's see what will happen. Can you sing Nadia, Nina, Linda? So you can place this, you can choose the answer, and you can place any poll on the front page if you choose, and give as many options of answers as you want, or make it anonymous. By the way, how I added all these things? Well, in my course, I chose Manage Practice Area, turned the editing on, pressing here, scroll to the page down, and from Add a Block, I chose a number of different options and added them everywhere on the front page. Well, I added the calendar. By the way, if you press on the plus, the Windows block will open up, and minus, it closes. I also added random glossary entry, which can be used to display random entries from a glossary, which is like a dictionary. However, you can use it as quote of the day or a random picture gallery that changes each time the page is refreshed. I also added competence grid, and it has to do with Exabis e-portfolio and other things. So teachers and students can document their work with competence fields. Students self-reflect and establish their individual course spanning competence profile. As far as I understood that, is that the teacher collaboratively or externally, well, can create a chart, a matrix with different skills, and the students can tick the skills that they have, and choose the activities they need to do, the tasks they need to take. So sort of that. Mass actions also has to do with, settings of the teacher, and you can, what sort of actions can you make? Mass selection, indentation, deletion, hiding, showing, and moving. So you can change the content again. Well, on the right, I added the activities. only forums today. Checklists so that students can check what tasks are still undone. With checklist overview. Oh, I loved this level up on the front page. You see, participant in the course can gain experience points and level up. Well, I chose the number of levels that the students can actually have, and as far as they complete this or that task, they can level up. That might be appealing. Then I also added people block so I can see all the participants. So far it is the list of the students that have the manager's access. You see, well, it can be also interesting. Private files, I even managed to add a PDF file from my system. Stash, as far as I understand, it's like a temporary folder for temporary files that you can keep here. Well, also blog menu. We have talked about blogs before. Online users, you can see who is online now, and comments that are being written. Well, today you can see. I didn't touch administration. Well, I still have a long way to go and have more questions than answers, but I hope my video helped just a little, at least to one person. Thank you.